Today, I'm going to show you how to use the transpose function. What does the transpose function do? To demonstrate this, I have a data set here. The data has two columns, names and cells. So what the transpose does, it changes the columns into rows and rows into columns. So in other words, I'm going to have names and cells, and it will appear here like that. So let's see how we can achieve this. There are two methods of which we can achieve the same result. Let me first show you the first method is to use the transpose function. So I say transpose. It needs an array. I select my array, close brackets, enter. As you can see, it has transformed the data. The rows have become columns and columns into rows. So if I want to take it back, I'll come here, say transpose again, select the data, close, back to the original position. So this is one of the methods we can use. Let's look at the second method. This is the same data. Now we are going to use paste transpose. How does it work? We select our data, Ctrl+C, come here, select the cell where we want to put the transpose data, go up here, select transpose, paste transpose, like so, and it is transposed. If I want to take it back to the original position, copy, place where I want the data to start, come back, transpose again, and there we go. So this is how we can transpose our data. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, hit the notification if you have liked this video.